I'm Jocelyn. I'm a choreographer, dancer, and teaching artist based in San Francisco, and I'm one of the teachers of Performing Arts Workshop. Here are some video excerpts of some of the works that I've done. I'll be teaching a beginner hip-hop class for middle school ages, where we'll be learning different hip-hop dance moves, choreography, freestyle, and a bit about its history.
Hi everyone, my name is Sabina and I will be teaching the Performing Arts Workshop Powerhouse program called Moving Towards Comics. I've been drawing my whole life and have been working as a professional animator for the last 3 years. During this time, I've also been making a lot of comics, both for clients and for myself.
Hi, my name is Nico and I will be teaching Performing Arts Workshop Powerhouse Moving Towards Comics. I've been dancing pretty much since I could walk, and I'm a firm believer that everyone's a dancer and everything's a dance. In this community arts program, we will explore the questions: how can movement be inspired by visuals? How can visual art be inspired by dance? And how can these two art forms coexist?
Hi, my name is Natasha.
And my name is Christy.
And we will be teaching poetry and visual media for the Performing Arts Workshop Powerhouse Community Arts Collective.
As an artist, I work in lots of different mediums. I started out as a painter and have since evolved to work in non-traditional photography, video, film, paper cutting, and ceramics.
As part of our poetry and visual media community arts collective, you'll be learning how to create through processes of observation, free writing, erasure, sensory detail, and revision.
Also work on art projects like collages, multimedia found objects, journaling, paper sculptures, and do some drawing and illustration.
Hola, mi nombre es Pierre Padilla Vázquez, soy bailarín, músico y actor peruano. Ahora estoy enseñando el curso de zapateo afro-peruano. Los invito a todos a venir a zapatear conmigo. Van a desarrollar su sentido rítmico, van a ejercitar sus piernas y su cuerpo, además de aprender a hacer música con su propio cuerpo de una forma divertida.
What's up everyone? My name is Hien Huynh. I've been a dancer, performer, teaching artist in the Bay Area for the last 5 years. I will be learning and sharing with one another. I'll be leading us through hip-hop history, and within hip-hop, we'll be exploring breakdance, poppin', and alongside, we'll be diving into creative movement, in which we'll be drawing, free writing, and playing theater games to create movements from our lived experiences. Join our community arts collective. Please sign up if you're interested, and I really look forward to meeting you all and learning about you and your stories, and I hope for us to have a place where we can collaborate, exchange stories, and create movements and have fun together.
It's going to be super fun, so I hope you can join.
I'm super excited for you to join our community arts collective.
Calling all the movers, the shakers, the doodlers, the painters, and the creative thinkers who are ready to fill up a space with pencil marks and movement. Join our artistic community and create with us.
We're so excited for you to join our community arts collective.
We can't wait to meet you.
Vengan a zapatear conmigo.